Okay, so scroll to the right. Well, make sure you're not selecting anything first. So scroll to the right, go to apps, and scroll down. You should be able to see charts. Click on that. If not, just search it in the apps. Find the type of chart you want to use. I don't know. Let's just go with this one because it looks cool. Click on that or press on that, and you can make adjustments to the table, and it will update in real time. So you will end up uh, with a visual chart of that has your exact values. So yeah, you can obviously change the chart type, colors, customize. You can play around with the settings. But yeah, color, editing, spacing. Some different charts have different styling options. But the point is, that's how you create a chart. That's how you make adjustments to the value, the data, and that's it.